Okay, so this test 8.2C. Let us start with the first question. Exercise 8.2, textbook page 195. Question number 2, subheading 1. Let us start. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So let us start with 1. You have to find the value of 210 30 degree divided by 1 plus 10 square 30 degree. This value is how much? Oh, your answer match which choice? That's what the question is saying. So let us start here. 210 30 degree by here 1 plus 10 square 30 degree, right? This we can write equal to longer line. We can write first, and here 2 into 10 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Here we can just write 1 plus 10 30 is again therefore 1 by root 3, but there's a square here, so whole thing square. Then here next step, longer line, 2 ones are 2 divided by root 3, and here 1 plus 1 ones are 1 square, and root 3 square is root 3 into root 3, so that is equal to 3. Let's write here 3. The next step, 2 by root 3, and we can multiply like this. 3 ones are 3, so plus 1, longer line cover up to here. 3 multiplied to 1 and add to 1. 3 plus 1 divided by LCM is 3. Okay, so here this longer line again, 2 by root 3 for this, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Down here is 3. Then here we can write there above the long line 2 by root 3, same one. Change this division sign to multiplication sign. Then down 3 will go up. Up numerator 4 will come down. 2 2s are 4, right? Now we're going to get here 3 by root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3. Now when we have an irrational number like this in the denominator, we have to rationalize it. So normally, so 3 by 2 root 3. To remove this root 3, we have to multiply by the same. Then root 3 into root 3 will get the root removed. So whatever we put here, we have to put here, so that it is root 3 by root 3 is, we know, 1. So we're multiplying by 1, which means the equal sign is not affected. So next here, 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, right? Then here this 3 and 3 cancel. So root 3 by 2 with no irrational number in the denominator. That's how we write our answer normally. Now choice A is sine 60 degree, and we know sine 60 degree is exactly equal to this, so this is the right option. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So therefore our right answer is the choice number A, which is sine 60 degree, because sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, which is the answer we're getting, right? And next, number 2. So 2 here, 1 minus 10 square 45 degree by 1 plus 10 square 45 degree divided by 1 plus 10 square 45 degree equal to how much? Or which answer choice does it match? So 1 minus 10 square 45 degree by 1 plus 10 square 45 degree will be equal to longer line, and then here 1 minus 10 45 is 1, so 1 square because it's 10 square here. So likewise here 1 plus 1 square because same thing. Then you write here 1 minus 1 square is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So you're getting here 0 by 2, 0 divided by 2. And we know 0 divided by anything is 0. Right, 0 divided by 5 is 0, 0 divided by 7 is 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So answer is 0, and the answer choices there are sine 90, and then B is 1, then sine 45, and so on. So D is 0. So that our answer is 0, and it is matching the option D. So our answer is D, which is the 0. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Number 3. The third one is here. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a is true when. So let's just start the first one, when a equal to 0 degree, let us say. Right, 0, 30, it goes right, like that, right? So let's take the first option, A1, 0 degree. So if when a is equal to 0 degree, your left hand side therefore will be, read the question, sine 2a equal to 2 sine a means left hand side is sine 2a and right hand side is 2 sine a. So if we replace that by this a equal to 0, then sine 2 into a is 0 degree. So that is sine 0 degree, right? And we know that sine 0 degree is equal to 0. The value is 0. And the right hand side is equal to 2 sine a. So 2 sine a. When a equal to 0, right hand side will be 2 into sine 0 degree. 2 into sine 0 degree, we know from the table, page 193 is 0. So anything multiplied to 0 is 0. So when we put a equal to 0 degree, sine 2a is 0. Left hand side, right hand side is also equal to 0. That means it's coming out correct when you put the value as 0. So left hand side equal to right hand side when a equal to 0 degree. So our answer, you can write it down, the first statement that is there. Therefore, we can write like this, sine 2a, the left hand side, equal to 2 sine a, the right hand side. Go back to question, is true. Just like the question, we can write it is true only when a equal to 0 degree. So a equal to 0 degree is the right answer, and so that is a choice A, which is 0 degree. I hope you're getting it right. And obviously the rest of the choice may not be done. Then let's go to the fourth. Question number 2, subheading 4, page 195. Subheading 4, okay. So let us go there. So there, let us see. Subheading 4 is, okay, 2 10 30 degree by 1 minus 10 square 30 degree. How much we have to find, and which answer choice is matching. So let us write here, therefore 2 10 30 degree by 1 minus 10 square 30 degree can be written as a longer line, and then 2 into 10 30 degrees 1 by root 3, right? Then here 1 minus 10 30 again is same 1 by root 3, but this time is squared, 10 square, so put bracket and square, right? So that is equal to here, longer line, 2 ones are 2 by root 3, then 1 here, minus 1 square is 1, root 3 square is root 3 into root 3, which is equal to 3. So here 3. Okay, so here next step, you can write here 2 by root 3, and then 3 ones are 3. You can write there minus 1 here. Since we multiplied up to here, a long line will cover up to here divided by 3. Down here LCM. And it's given us here 2 by root 3 on the upper part and lower part plus 3 minus 1. Bigger absolute value up, smaller one down, plus minus means subtract, so 3 minus 1, 2. The sign will be that of the bigger absolute value, plus 3 is plus, so here also plus. So 3 minus 1 is plus 2 by 3. Then here, that will be equal to 2 by root 3. Change the division sign to the multiplication sign, then down 3 will go up. Numerator 2 will come down, and these 2 will cancel. So you're left with 3 by root 3. And to rationalize this denominator, you're going to have to put here 3 by root 3, and then same rationalize means remove the root and you multiply by the identical one, same one, then you'll get removed. Whatever we put here, we'll put up, and then here 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So these 2 cancels and you're left with root 3. As your answer. Now root 3 match which choice? Let us see. A is cos 60 degree and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Doesn't match this root 3. B is sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Doesn't match this one. Then tan 60 degree exactly equal to root 3. So root 3 value is matching tan equal to tan 60 degree. Therefore tan 60 degree is the choice C. So our answer is the choice C, which is tan 60 degree. Okay. So one more question. Two more questions. This is 2 is done. Let's go to 3. Okay, let's go to 3. Then question number 3. So given to us here, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3, the first given to us. So let's do this first. That implies tan a plus b is equal to, since this is 10, think about the 10 value which is equal to root 3, and we know that 10, so 10, how much is root 3? Yes, only 60 degree, right? So we write like that, so we make 10 and 10 both sides. Because there is equal sign now, 10 means we can cover up the 10, and we have here a plus b left. 10 covered up and 60 degree left, so a plus b will be equal to 60 degree. Let us put this one as equation 1. And one more thing is given to us. Tan a plus b equal to root 3 is given, and then next tan a minus b is given. So let us write it down. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Right, so like we did here, let us proceed and do tan a minus b, same thing. Since the left hand side is 10, let us try to make 10, how much, think about 10, how much is 1 by root 3? And we know that tan 30 degree is exactly equal to 1 by root 3. That way there is an equal sign, and since 10 and 10 both sides, you can cover up the 10 and you're left with a minus b is equal to here 30 degree. Equation number 2. Now there are many ways of solving it, but we can just pick up this one from 1 or 2, whatever you like. So if you want to say from 1, that's fine, or from 2, from equation number 2. If you were to write a, then a will be equal to 30 degree, and if you shift this, that means minus b will become plus b. Let us put this as 3. Then we are doing substitution, okay. This putting equation 3, this one, value in equation. Since you took equation 3 from 2, don't put the 3 value again in 2, but in the other one, 1. If you took from 1 and make 3, then put this 3 in 2, but here we took from 2, so don't put in 2 again, put in 1. So if you put in equation number 1, what does this mean? It means 1 is this, so a value here, a is going to be replaced by this. So I'm going to write here 30 degree plus b is the value of a in place of this a, plus b, this is equation 1, equal to 60 degrees. So that is the meaning of putting this equation 3 value inside equation number 1. That way we have here b plus b is 2b, don't shift that, and this is also same 60 degree. If you shift this to the right side from left side, no sign means plus, and shifted means become minus 30 degree. So twice b will be plus 60 minus 30 is plus 30 degree, and then b will be equal to 30 degree, and this 2 into will shift means come to the denominator. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, so b is 15 degree. We found out that b. Let us put this one as equation number 4 following 3. Question is saying find the value of a and b. Okay, so here to find a, you are putting equation 4 value, that is the b value, in, I think you can put in any, but the one I arranged to find out a is this one. See, a, very easy now to use this. So in 3 you see, now if you put in 3, then a will be equal to, this one is same 30 degree, plus b can be now replaced by this 4 value. That is the meaning of putting the 4 value inside 3. So b here 15 you can put, so 30 plus 15 is 45 degree. Let's put this one as 5. So we got a value 45 degree and b value 15 degree. So we can just write the final answer. Yeah, therefore a value is 45 degree since using or from equation 5, and b value is 15 degree since using equation b value is from 4, so using equation 4. So these are your answers. Okay, one more question is left, 4. We'll do that in the next class. Okay.